You are going to love the 2011 CX-9. This 7-passenger crossover boasts unexpected styling, a powerful yet fuel-efficient engine, and standard luxuries. Safety also comes standard with the CX-9's 5-star governmental front and side impact crash test rating and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, engine immobilizer, tire pressure monitor. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.